What's up guys, Stefan here from AppStuff, and I am super excited to introduce Instagram Pro Plus, our latest tier of applications crafted by yours truly, a former senior iOS engineer at Meta. Let's go ahead and dive into what makes Instagram Pro Plus stand out. First up, our enhanced feature set. With Pro Plus, users get access to a plethora of advanced functionalities, including push notifications, private profile management, direct messaging, and much more. We've taken the best features from Instagram Pro and amplified them to provide you with a truly immersive social media experience. But it's not just about features, it's also about performance. Instagram Pro Plus boasts better front and back end performance thanks to advanced techniques such as pagination, caching, and server-side functions. This app is built to support millions of users while maintaining supreme functionality and performance. Built upon the solid architecture principles, Instagram Pro Plus offers unparalleled flexibility and scalability. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a budding entrepreneur, you'll appreciate the simplicity and elegance of our app's design. And here's the best part. Instagram Pro Plus is App Store ready right out of the box. That's right. No more waiting around for approvals or dealing with last-minute fixes. With Pro Plus, you can launch your app with confidence and start making impact in no time. You'll also receive a personalized support package that includes a one-on-one call with me, the lead engineer behind the app. Whether you need help setting up your app or troubleshooting a problem, I'll be there every step of the way to ensure your success. Last but certainly not least, Instagram Pro Plus offers lifetime access to future updates, feature add-ons, and improvements. That's right, once you're part of the Pro Plus product, you'll never have to worry about missing out on the latest and greatest features. It's our way of saying thank you for your support. It's available now on the website at stefancodes.com, so make sure you guys check that out. The link is in the description to this video. And next up, we are going to do a deep dive into everything that is included with this Pro Plus version. We're going to go over all of the new features and the performance improvements. So let's go ahead and check that out now, guys. So I have the app running on 3 different simulators here, guys. And one of the first things we notice is that we get push notifications with this Pro Plus app. So this comes ready to go right out of the box. There's full setup instructions on how to add push notifications, and we can see here that it works absolutely flawless, guys. And we get push notifications for things like likes and comments and all of that stuff. So let me go ahead and restart the app for you guys. I just want to show you what it looks like when it first launches. So this is what it looks like when it's opening the user feed. We see a loading indicator there, and we also get full pagination support here, guys. So you can see here that we're paginating and loading more posts. So that is a huge performance optimization that you get with the Pro Plus version of the app. We can see here that the feed is just absolutely flawless. It paginates beautifully, and we have full pagination support for every sort of data loading piece of the app here. So we get it for our user lists, we get it for our notifications, we get it for profile posts. All of that stuff is paginated, guys. So that's a massive performance optimization there. That's absolutely crucial for having an app that can scale to millions of users, right? So another one of my favorite features of this is what the app is going to look like when a user first launches it, right? So let's say you open up Instagram, you don't currently follow anybody. This is what they do. They give you this like beautiful, like sort of first time user experience, right? Where you can see popular users on the application and then you can follow them right there. And then you guys can see as soon as I follow someone like Venom, that it automatically populates my feed with Venom's posts, which is just awesome right there. And guys, I would be able to then refresh my profile and I could see that I'm following Venom here. We can click on each one of these guys to view the full list of people that we follow. Guys, full edit profile functionality here as well. So I believe I'm logged in as Goku here. So let me just go ahead and add a profile picture for him. And we're going to say that my name is Goku, and oops, that auto-corrected, and that I'm a Super Saiyan, right? So we get full edit profile functionality as well. I'm going to go ahead and hit done there. And then guys, if I refresh my profile, guess what? Everything updates beautifully. And guys, we also have a bunch of other empty states, right? So you guys will notice on Instagram, you never see a fully blank screen, right? So we have empty states for our profiles. We also have empty states for the feed, as we saw, And we also have empty states for messages, for notifications. So that's just a nice user experience improvement there. You never want a user to just see a blank page. So we have full empty state logic there as well. So guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like in dark mode over here as well. We could sign a new user up. We have this beautiful onboarding flow, and we have validation for users here as well. So if I try to sign up with an email that is already in use, you guys notice the form validation there as well. The next button doesn't become enabled until we have a valid email here. You guys will notice that it's like, hey, that email is already in use. Please log in or try again, right? So we see here that I was trying to sign up a user account with Batman. So I'm just going to go back and actually log in as Batman. And let me show you guys what the error handling looks like on the login side as well. So you get error messages if things go wrong, right? So that's another nice improvement that we get here with this Pro Plus app. So let me actually go ahead and log in as Batman. And you guys will notice that it launches the feed beautifully there as well. And another thing to note with the feed, guys, is it only contains posts from people that I follow. So for example, if I go and I check who I'm following Megan Fox, Iron Man, and Venom, right? So you guys will notice that my feed only has posts from those users, right? So right now it's all Venom. We see some stuff from Megan Fox in there as well, right? And guys, this is just absolutely perfect. And if I were to go and unfollow Venom, guys, let's see Venom, and I'm going to unfollow him. Oops, accidentally clicked on a post, right? You notice that the stats update immediately. And if I go back to my feed, guys, and I actually pull to refresh, you'll notice that now Venom's posts are all removed from my feed, and now I can only see Megan Fox's stuff in here. So that is just looking absolutely amazing. And guys, we have commenting ability as well. We have an empty state guy there too. And I can go ahead and add a comment here, first comment, and hit post. And you guys will notice that that empty state disappears and it adds a comment there for Batman. And I believe I'm logged in as Megan Fox over here. Guys, if I go and we also have these beautiful in-app notifications, I can refresh that and see that Batman commented on one of my posts. And if I go ahead and lock the app and relaunch it, guys, everything is just looking absolutely incredible there. And another one of my favorite features of this is the new direct messaging feature. So guys, we have unread message functionality, so I can see all of my unread messages at the top. I can also search my messages, right, which is awesome. And we notice that we also have that indicator there to let me know that I have unread messages, and that updates in real time as messages come in. So I can go here and click on a message, and guys, you will notice that when I go back, it says that it's now unread, right? Or it has been read. And if I go and click here, I've now read my message from Deadpool. I go back, and guess what, guys? That indicator there is gone. And this also includes full server-side function support, guys. So all of the intense processes like updating the user's feed, deleting their accounts, all the blocking functionality and stuff, all of that complex stuff is moved to server-side functions in the application. So basically it makes the back end do all of the hard work so that the front end or the client side of the application can work and function as smoothly as possible. Guys, we also can now save posts. So I can save Venom's post there, and I can go to this awesome new settings page, right? So this is a completely new screen in the app. You guys can notice I can make my account private if I want to, and now I can check out my saved posts. We have full pagination support here as well. So this is just absolutely awesome, guys. And another really cool feature that I want to show off is the ability to go to a user's profile, click on their post, and it launches a feed of their post just like we see in Instagram, right? So that's a super, super cool feature there as well. It doesn't just show you one post at a time. We get to see all of that user's posts. So that's incredible there as well, guys. Another feature that is huge is our blocking functionality, right? So in order to get approved by the App Store with a social media application, you have to have the ability to block users, right? So when I block someone, it has full real life blocking support. They won't show up in searches anymore. I won't see their content in my feed, none of that stuff, guys. And I can also report accounts. So this is another requirement for App Store submission. Apple makes you guys have this stuff. I know all of this because I have submitted this application to the App Store. for clients, like with like slight customizations and stuff. This is a social media app template I use, and it has all of the App Store stuff that you need ready to go. So when you report a post or content, that's what it looks like. That goes to a section in the database that you can review yourself. And next up, guys, I want to show you what a private profile looks like. So we have full private profile support. So I believe if I go to Batman's page, we see that his account is private, right? So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. If I try to follow someone with a private account, it initiates a follow request, right? Just like Instagram does. And then I can go here to my notifications page, and you guys will notice that if I have a private profile, like I do with Batman, we can see that here. You notice that private profile is turned on. Then you get this awesome follow request section in your notifications page. You guys notice that Megan Fox's profile is not private, so she doesn't have that. And if I go here and I can then accept the follow request that came from Goku, it will then update with the empty state for the follow request there beautifully. And I can go here and refresh my notifications and see that Batman accepted my follow request. So that has full private profile support there as well, guys. And overall, this app is just extremely well polished. So this is a production ready application, as I said before, that is ready to handle millions of users, guys. I have a lot of you ask me if Firebase can handle that, and yes, they absolutely can. Firebase can support millions of users with up to 200,000 active connections. So that means you could have 200,000 people using your app at the same exact time, and it will still function optimally. And really quickly, just one more thing I want to show off here, guys, is how instant the direct messaging is, right? So I can notice here that as Batman, I'm going to go ahead and send Megan Fox a message. We also get read receipts here, guys. So let me say this is a test message for the demo. And I'm going to send that bad boy. And you guys notice that shows up instantly, bro. Real-time messaging capability. And you guys pay attention to the delivered status here as well. As soon as I click on this, boom, it updates to red. So this app is just absolutely amazing, guys, and I really hope to see you on board as a Pro Plus member. The new features, the performance improvements, and all of that stuff really just bring it to that next level. And it is available now on the website at steffencodes.com. The link is in the description, guys. You can just head over to this Pro Plus guy, and you can see everything that the Pro Plus version includes. So, guys, keep in mind, this is not available for free to members. This is only available for a separate purchase. There is too much value in this product for me to include it in the memberships for free. I have personally used this app template to launch social media apps that cost over $20,000. So this is proven production ready code, and you guys should go ahead and check this out. It's really a steal of a deal for this price point. It is only going to go up as I add features to it, and if you get in now, you get lifetime access to this, as I described before, and unlimited support from me. So guys, make sure you go ahead and check out our new Pro Plus tier of applications. I have more to come. Messenger is up next. Get excited for that, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Peace.